you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2022 Jeep Cherokee Limited in bright white. With adaptive cruise control with stop and go, side distance warning, 19-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, heated and ventilated steering wheel, 37,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, power liftgate, 3.2-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6880.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.